Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see a small issue and we are going to follow 3 steps to solve this issue, and let us see what is the issue, how we can solve this problem. And for that, just we will click over here and we open this Windows security. You can see this Windows security, it's in white screen. Any options is nothing, it's not displaying here. The more options are available, but nothing is displaying over here. So let me close this one. And to solve this issue, first step we can see, just click over this window icon and we'll type here Windows security, Windows security. In this Windows security you can see this option, and from here you can see this app setting. Just click over this app setting. While selecting the app setting, just scroll down. Let us scroll down. While scrolling down, you can see the option immediately terminate the system components and its related process. Click over this terminate. You can just click over this terminate. After selecting this terminate option, you can find this reset. In this we are going to select first repair option. We had to wait till this process for completion. Now you can see here the tick mark, and after that you can select this option reset. Again reset. Now this two process has been completed. This is the first step, and after that we can close this screen. After closing the screen, now let us open and see whether the problem is solved or still it's same like this. So the problem is still as it's same. Now again we are going to close it, this one. Now the next method, that is, we can type over here regedit, regedit. You can see here register editory, and right click over here, run this option as administrator. You can give option yes. After this screen appear, you can see here H key, class root, current user, local machine, user, and current configuration. In this we are going to select H key local machine. In this local machine we are going to select here this option system. While selecting the system, next option we are going to select, this is current control set. Just scroll down and see whether this option is different, or yeah, now we are going to select this current control set. In this we are going to select services and just make like expand it. After this we are going to select, you can go for the option like S, where is it, HILMNOPQRS here. Where is it? Here you can see that's in security health service. Just click over here, and here you will find the option start. Double click over here. You can see whether the value is changed. It's 3. It must be in 3. Okay, just click over here, and it's already, you can see the value is 3. We didn't change anything. Okay, and after that just we are going to go back. Just scroll to the top side, and in this you will find the option for software also. Just click over here the software, and you can see this Microsoft. In this Microsoft scroll it down, and we can select for these policies. Just will go for back. I think so here. Select for here policies. You will find here Microsoft. In this Microsoft, just come down. You will find here Windows Defender. Right click over here and delete the Windows Defender, and just will close it. What after doing all this process, just restart the system better, whether it has been fixed or not we can see. And this option, so still it's not working. Now we'll go for another option. We'll type over here. Now just right click over here and you will see terminal admin. We'll select this terminal admin and we'll go for option yes. In this we can see user like this. Just type in command. I'm typing here, just type as it's same. Just get appxpackage package space mic Microsoft dot sechealth health UI and all users space reset or appxpackage package. Type this command and just hit enter. You can see now this almost it will be working. You can follow this 4 method and it will be working. And after all this process we can just restart the machine, our laptop or a computer. It will be working. So you can follow this for this method. Let me restart my machine and see whether it's working or not. Now the system has been restarted. Just now we'll check whether it's working or not. We'll click over here. Now you can see all the options which is coming. So let us follow those methods, like 4 methods you can follow and can solve this issue. If you have any queries, just text me on the comment box. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.